Next one is scope of variables. In Java, the variables can be classified into three types: instance variables, class variable, and local variables. If you create any variable in Java, it should be belonging to any one of this category. Instance and class variables are actually declared inside the class. Instance variables are created when the objects are instantiated, and therefore they are associated with the objects. Whenever you create an object using a class, within that object the variable is created. That variable is called as instance variable. Each object has its own instance variable. The value stored in that instance variable is different from different objects. And the class variables are global to a class and belonging to entire set of objects that class creates. As I told, instance variables means whenever you create an object from a class, each object has its own instance variables. The value stored in one object instance variable is different from another object instance variable. But a class variables are actually global. Class variables are actually belonging to global. That means all the objects share the same class variable. You can access this global variable from any object. It has the same value, common to all the objects. Here, only one memory location is created for each class variable. In instance variable, for every object, a separate variable is there. But here, only one memory location is created for class variable. Next, variables which is declared and used inside the methods are called local variables. If you declare any method inside the variables or within the blocks, then such type of variables are called as local variables. They are not available for use outside the method definition. Why it is called as local variable? Because it's available only inside the method. Once you close the method, that variable is removed from the memory. Local variables can also be declared inside the program blocks, just like here. If I return some for loop or while loop, within that for loop, while loop, I can declare some variables. That variables are also local variables. These local variables are always declared between the opening brace and the closing brace. These variables are visible to the program only from the beginning of its program block to the end of the program block. For example, see here, I have created three separate local variables. Now, the value x here, local variable, its value start from its appearance start from this block, and whenever you close this bracket here, the x will be deleted from the memory. The similar way here n, here the n is visible only within this block, this upper rectangle, and the value of n is available only inside this block. It's not available outside this block. So this is called a scope of variables. There are three types: class variable, instance variable, and local variables.